Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time seeing my face, hey, you're welcome. Mara here. Today's video is gonna be an install, you guys. My braided wig brand is an extension of Elfin Hair braided wig collection. So we're going to be installing a braided wig, you guys. You guys, this is what the wig is looking like. This is a 29 inches boho braids. This is the specification of this wig. This is the boho knotless braids, okay, with invisible tiny knots, full HD lace. This is what the lace is looking like. Oh my goodness, this hair. I love this part here. This part just kind of secures this wig. It also really has good baby hair, you guys. This wig also comes with an elastic band, and the lace honestly is giving all it said it would give. As far as packaging goes, and the look of this hair is 100/100 for me already. This hair is so soft, you guys. Just running my fingers through this hair, and it's tangle free. Everything this wig said as a description is actually what it's giving. Along with the wig came this HD wig cap. This one is invisible, and we're going to be using it for this install. I love me wigs that come with gifts. This one has a bonnet, and I love this color. It also has this is just like a cap. I think that this will be very ideal, or more ideal, for people that have really small head. Of course, there is also wig bag. The baby hair is actually as soft can be, so I don't see myself doing too much with this wig, to be frank. You guys, the thing about this HD lace is that if you want to do a bald cap, it's going to be so easy for you to get your bald cap and cut it. But like I said, like, I like efficient hair. I like things that I can just throw on and just be on the go. So I'm not going to be doing a bald cap. I'm going to just wear the cap the way it is and just use it and style this wig. If you want to do a bald cap, it's going to be very easy for you to do that. I also think that bald cap is more appropriate if you want to like have the wig on for a couple of days. I don't care for that. I love to take off my wig almost immediately. I'm going to use my powder palette, the one that is closest to my skin color, which is this one, and kind of like tint the lace. I also love to go over my calf with just the same color of powder, just so that everything just cinches in. There's actually a difference when you tint this thing. Like, just get it to be your color a little bit. And efficiency is my thing, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the stuff. To cut it into like 3 parts. I always gravitate towards the things that make my life easier, honestly, and I think that with installing wig, you just have to wing it and just like find that thing that works for you. It's good to take the advice, but if you try it's not working for you, find a way to make it work, okay? I see people cut their lace on their head. I've tried it a couple of times. I made a mess of my hair, so I always just like to take it off my head and just hold it and cut it. That way I am sure of what I'm doing. Guys, I love what I'm doing with this hair. Now that I have my lace cut out, I just use this clip to just secure the hair at the back, just so I can go in with my spray. Like I said, easy. I don't want stress. I'm using Got2b spray, you guys. I love the spray. It just works for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and secure the wig before I come back to styling and dealing with my baby hair. Make sure you're letting your glue or your spray stick a little bit. Let it get a bit sticky before you put a band over it. So I'm gonna use this old band that I have and just hold this down. you guys, this hair is giving me vibes. It actually feels like I actually have an actual braids on. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and just use a few things on this hair. I'm going to use this oil sheen on it. It doesn't necessarily need it because you guys can see that this hair is shiny. Add a little bit of shine. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of styling mousse just because I want to flatten this plate. You can also like use it on the hair as long as it's really good, a good one that won't tangle the hair out. But this hair really does well with like not tangling. Guys, this looks like it's growing out of my hair. Let's go ahead and fix my baby hair. I'm going to use those blades, okay? I'm not like very big with baby hair, so I'm not like going crazy with it. It feels so soft. I love it. I'm gonna go off and take off the band now. I was going to use this melting lace mousse, but I am not using it because this top did so well. So I'm going to go ahead now and put a little makeup on my face, then touch up on my edges. Just know that you're done, okay? If you weren't gonna wear makeup, just do your edges and you're good. But because I want to be a bit extra, I'm gonna wear makeup and go ahead and lay my edges, and we're going to see the final result. Can you guys see how beautiful this wig turned out, you guys? I don't even want to talk too much about this wig, but if you've ever wanted to get a braided wig for yourself, this is your opportunity to grab a good and affordable one. I'm gonna have all the link you guys would need in the description box. You can save 30% when you use my coupon ℙ𝕤𝕤𝕤30, but hurry you guys, because this coupon is only valid for 30 days. I have also included a direct link that you can use to access this wig in the description box. My Braided Wig brand also do a lot of giveaways in their social media pages. You can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. I would have the link to their handles all listed in the description box. For my folks in diaspora like myself, this is an opportunity for you to get yourself a braided wig, because you guys know how expensive braiding is when you're living abroad. So this is your opportunity to rock your braids, re-rock it whenever you want to, and also save cost while at it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Bye bye. I will see you guys in my next video.